So my name is Arun Kumar.
Yes.
I'm from Trainix Academy from Business Development team. So for today, we have Mr. Vivekanand, who is the trainer. So let me just give you a brief understanding about his profile. Okay. Yeah. So very good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you. So it's a great to have such a diverse group of SAP professionals joining today explore SAP BTP, Business Technology Platform, a key pillar in modern SAP landscapes. So let me briefly introduce our trainer, Mr. Vivek K. He brings 13 plus years of experience and has trained almost 35 plus batches of professionals. His industry exposure includes manufacturing, infrastructure, IT services, finance, public sector, and global enterprises. He has also successfully delivered RISE with SAP programs and worked on multiple S/4HANA cloud implementations. His expertise covers SAP Basis, S/4HANA BTP, HANA, cloud, security, integrations, and system upgradations. Before we begin, I would like to understand the audience. Many of you may be coming from Basis, ABAP, FICO, MMSD, or even end users roles, right? So with some exposure to cloud or integrations. In today's sessions, we aim to give you a practical overview of SAP BTP, how it works in real-time projects, and why it's becoming essential for digital transformation, right? Yeah, I think that's from my end, and I would like to extend the session to hand over it to Mr. Vivek to take it forward by presenting the PPT. And I think within the session, many of you who might be having any questions or any doubts, right? So we'll also have a Q&A session at the end of the session. And in case if you have any questions in between, also you can directly intervene, and then you can ask Vivek so that he can clarify your doubts as well. So in case Vivek, if you're okay to open your camera, and then if you can also go ahead with your explanation, that's good. If not, you can also go ahead with as usual. Okay. Thank you so much. Please continue the session.
Yeah, thanks for introduction. So we start now. Anyone new people will join, and can I start?
I think we have got a good amount of people for now. So I think there are a few other people who would be joining the middle of the sessions. But before we waste much time, so I think it's good to start.
Okay.
Yeah, done. Thank you.
Myself Vivek, and total 18 years of experience in IT industry. So I've been there in BTP platform more than 4 years. Okay, and and SAP Basis and HANA, I have 13 years of experience in industry. So this is all about myself, and on who are available in the now today's class. Okay, anyone knows what is BTP, and you have any introduction you want me to give, I'll give you. But if you have any glance and you have any idea regarding BTP, can you tell anyone, so that we will quick start and immediately. So what are the topics we need to cover today's class, and what are the how the BTP will impact in the current market, and how it will be connected through artificial intelligence upcoming next 10 years. So what will be the roles and responsibilities, and what is the main admin part, what are the topics we need to cover, and all those things I will explain you. So if you have anyone who have any idea regarding BTP, so can you tell me that, and so that we will start the quick start and immediate basis. Okay, you have any idea? And anyone is working on BTP environment, and anyone actually new to this environment, so just raise a hand, so that we will start the session immediately. Okay, yeah, first of all start. Anyone can explain? Hello, are you there? Hello, you're mute. Yeah, Fabil, tell me.
Yes. Good afternoon, everybody. We have afternoon Dharma Gamram. I've been working with integration and development, ABAP and PO for quite 25 years. So I have been looking to BTP the last 5-6 months, and have been just using the trial version with the integration suite and the API and event mesh and all that stuff that follows. So I think we are going this direction. Actually, everybody is looking for BTP consultants. So for my purpose, I think it's very essential for me to focus on the certification of BTP, even though we have a strong knowledge about BTP, maybe most, all of us, but we need to make it official, to make it visible to other companies to see that we really can this stuff. So I hope you will say something about the certification, especially the new certification forms in form of AI and scenario-based, and if you offer certification, and what is the price, what is the plan, what is the roadmap for that. So if anybody in the forum has worked with the PO, then PTP just another broker middleware to integrate not only that, but also to other capabilities and stuff that includes not only integration suites but also API, event mesh. You can also access it from Eclipse, doing some ABAP, doing some apps, business application studio, open connector, cloud connector, whatever, you name it. So this is from my part.
All good. Yeah, that's nice. Nice to see you. And anyone is there? And apart from this, thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay. Now we'll start. I will start from initial onwards. If you have any doubts, and what are the topics we need to cover, if we have any doubts, and just let me know once, so that we'll discuss about. Okay. BTP. Okay. BTP is a platform as a service. Okay. Full form. Actually, BTP full form business. Technology platform. Okay, here actually this is the main BTP business technology platform to build the business applications. So mainly this is act as a platform as a service, BTP, also which is also integrate the services in cloud platform. Okay, the main purpose of this BTP is any organization, okay, organization as a main thing, as an impact, every organization is think about the cost, okay, increase the efficiency and time saving, and these parameters mainly increase, thinking about any organization. Okay, so the business technology platform BTP, which is also integrate the services in the cloud platform. Okay, though, so let me introduce, okay, when the BTP will start in market, and what is the proposals, and what is the uh, mainly this BTP market, and introduce when the this actually the platform as SAP is thinking about this platform BTP, and I will let you know the procedure. Okay, first initially 2011. Okay, the uh, the pass came into the market. Okay, platform as a service. Okay, so uh, this this was rebranded. Okay, actually initially 2011 the past market is there, and introduced that new environment. New is nothing but NetViewer, uh, NetViewer, um, NetViewer outbound. Okay, uh, NetWeaver on cloud. Okay. This new environment, Neo environment, NEO. Okay, this is introduced in 2011. After that, SAP rebranded this Neo environment in 2021. Okay, in January. Okay, uh, January, SAP rebranded that. Rebranded and introduced as a business technology platform. Okay, business technology platform. Okay, so this is 221 onwards. Okay, and cloud platform as a previously what happened, cloud platform BTP, the SAP cloud platform is there. Okay, SAP HANA cloud platform is there. Okay, so after that, this dropped into the HANA SCP. Okay, SCP drop to HANA to SCP. SCP means SAP cloud platform. Okay, after that, okay, this is the SAP is converted into the now 2001 onwards, 21 onwards. This is rebranded into SAP BTP's business technology platform. Okay, so here mainly the normally this concept is there, and SAP as existing customers. Okay, the move on to the 2027 onwards, move into the new customers. So actually what will happen, SAP as a new customers, so in the 2027 onwards they are pulling into the new customers in the cloud environment. So already existing is there in SAP existing customers. Okay, existing customers. So these existing customers, they mainly on-premises systems. On earlier, the all the SAP related and ECC on-premises servers. Okay, the main concept is there. Actually, they are moving to the cloud environment. Okay, previously in private environment is there. They're moving to the cloud environment. What are the parameters is there in reflected on? We're moving to the cloud public environment, public cloud BTP environment. What are the parameters and what are the parameters? I will explain you later. So now the why the BTP, okay, business technology platform now introduced in the 2021, and what is the purpose, and what are the parameters affected in the BTP, and how the market will efficiency in upcoming days, and this will connected to artificial intelligence, and how it will be. I will explain it one by one. So mainly the BTP platform, as I told you, the platform as a service, okay, to build the business applications. That's the purpose of this BTP. And after that, what happened? BTP focus on the business logics only. So initially the BTP services, okay, BTP platform as a services, and initial old days how it will be there. If you want to implement the SAP, okay, if you want to implement the SAP, you need to buy the infrastructure, you need to buy the server, you need to buy the licenses of OS, and you need to buy the server hardware and everything. So here BTP no need to buy the any mainly no need to buy any of the servers, and no need to buy the OS hardware. And why? Because this is the main running with all the services, and BTP once introduced in BTP, all the services available, but no need to do the upgrades and no need to do the supporting packs, and only the platform as a service This service only we can utilize it on how much utilization you are using this, and for you have to pay that. No need to pay all the services. What are the services we are using for the particular the customer? Okay, there only that services only we have to pay. Okay, these all the services I will show you on normally theoretical we will discuss, and where the services will be there, how the services will act, and how we need to activate, and all those things we will discuss. Okay, now SAP Discovery Center. Okay, this is the place you have to activate the services. Almost 90 plus services available, particular particular discovery center. Okay, so these services though, and arise with the SAP concept, one license or contract, one license contract, we utilize this and rise with concept only. So mainly 5 pillars is there. So let me explain you the BTP. 5 pillars is there in five pillars. Okay, 5 pillars in BTP. Okay, uh, 5 pillars in BTP. First main pillar, okay, BTP, the application development. The main purpose of this application development, okay, application development. And second pillar, automation. Okay, here every time no need to develop the logic and all those things. This automation with the business logics, okay, automatically they're developed and we can use it, that services only, that's it. No need to do the coding and all those things. Okay, and third one, the integration part. Integration, the third one, and integrated to the all the environment inside. Okay, if suppose the on premises data through cloud connector only, through cloud connector to private or public cloud platform, how we are connecting, and what will be the procedure, and that we will discuss later. Now the integration part is there, and data analytics, data and analytics is there, and third for fifth one, AI, artificial intelligence, how it will be. This is the 5 pillars in BTP. Okay, now uh, these are the 5 pillars we will discuss about. The first the what is the main concept of a cockpit is there, what is the BTP cockpit, how the all the jobs will be activated, and all the here actually in BTP cockpit is there, which is supporting to the BTP environment. And here in terms of the development, or in terms of the operations, daily operations. Okay, the monitoring, how it will be monitored, and how it will be alerts will come, the how we will rectify the dumps and the alerts, and daily monitoring jobs is there, the how the automatically schedule the jobs, and that we will discuss later part. Okay, now BTP cockpit is there, we will discuss mainly SAP BTP cockpit, main concept we will discuss. Okay, and here mainly we will discuss the global account, global account. Here main global account, here global account connected with the sub accounts is there, sub accounts, sub accounts. This will be sub accounts. 3 sub accounts is there. Mainly this global account is for creating um, global account, okay, for the customer point of view, and this will be implemented, and implementation partners, the how creating the configuration and creating the global account, and all those things will take care of the implementations partner. Sub accounts. So sub accounts is there in sub accounts in global accounts. Inside a 3 sub accounts is there. Suppose in ECC environment, okay, we have a development, quality, production, the different environment is there. Na? Same BTP also we have considered as a sub accounts. Okay, sub accounts, how we will create a sub account in the BTP environment. Okay, sub account inside the sub account, okay, all applications are running. Okay, we have to create the sub account, and all those things will explain you in sub accounts. In terms of the development sub account, development, okay, and same sub accounts for quality also we need to create. Okay, uh, QUA quality, okay, and same sub account for production. So under global account only we have to create a sub accounts. Okay, PRD production. So this is sub account structure. So this sub account, okay, this is all global and sub accounts considered as a public environment. Okay, public cloud environment. So public cloud environment, we have a private cloud environments also. The infrastructure as a service. Suppose the customer side, the particular infrastructure, okay, customer, they will provide the information, okay, whether we need to which infrastructure we need to follow this particular BTP environment, like AWS, Google accounts, Google, and Azure and Ariba, and all those things. These accounts, okay, these private accounts, this particular infrastructure as environment, the customers will side infrastructure, they will decide that environment, which environment we need to take care the particular scenario. Okay, this, so here actually we need to consider as a like AWS, sorry, okay, and web service infrastructure, web service Azure, and this all the infrastructure we need to support the BTP environment. And once done this, and after this global account, on premises custom environment is there. After global account, sub accounts, Azure environment, below that on premises, okay, on premises mm, on-prem accounts is there. This will be considered as a infrastructure. This will be private cloud. Okay, private cloud. So private cloud, inside we are connecting to the private cloud to public cloud. Okay, this one cloud connector is the bridge between the on-premises to BTP public cloud. This is the on-premises cloud connector is there. So between the both public to private, so through on cloud connector only we need to connect it. Okay, through cloud connector to public environment. So once any environment we are connecting to the private cloud to public cloud, mediating the should the cloud environment should be required. We need to cloud connector. We configure the cloud connector. We have to raise the integration between the public cloud to private cloud. We configure the cloud connector. So how we will configure the cloud connector? What are the procedure, what is the procedure and everything, I will explain you in next slides, upcoming slides. Okay, so and this is the main concept. Okay, this is all about the business technology platform, and what are the previous versions, and the pillars of the BTP, and what is the cockpit activities we do, and global accounts, sub accounts, and infrastructure, and on premises private, and all those things topics. So let me show you one PPT to what are the topics we need to cover in the upcoming days. And if you have any doubts, and just let me know once. Yeah, here main concept we need to cover the implementation of the first BTP introduction part, and global accounts and sub accounts, and how to create the sub accounts, and through cockpit, and that part we need to initial part we covered. And second, implementation of the new Fiori applications and SAP Fiori cloud. Are you able to view my screen? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. And SAP Fiori Cloud BTP cockpit, and how to configure the using the services, the particular services, and BTP cockpit configuration. What are the services we activate, and how it will be the insights of service, and what are the cloud factory, and how the users will connected the particular roles, how to assign the roles, a particular identity services in the BTP. We will explain. And after that, Okta and Azure ID integrations with BTP. How the Okta and Azure integrations with particular BTP, how to integrate that through tools. Okay, we will explain you that part also. And sub account creation, working on integration shoot, how we will create a sub account, that also we will discuss. And activate the standard Fiori applications, how to activate it for the particular finance module, that also we will discuss. And extension Fiori standard applications for business requirement services, what are the applications and standard applications for business requirement, that we will discuss. Okay, configuration for the Fiori catalogs and tiles, particular PFCG roles, how to do configurations for the particular Fiori launch pads, that also we need to discuss. Okay, and configuration of the cloud connector on HANA cloud portal, BTP cockpit, cloud connector. This we will discuss in the upcoming session. And SAC agent administrations, integration activities. Okay, and this part also we will discuss about this. And architecture, Fiori landscape and solution designing, and security mechanism, and user management in how the BTP sub account level, what is the how the user management will procedure. We will do that user management. And cloud ALM. The cloud ALM is the main key role. Okay, and what are the service solution manager as a service. Okay, that service we activate the particular this cloud ALM. 1 minute. Yeah, cloud ALM. What is how the setup will, how to configure the cloud ALM in BTP level. Okay, that also we need to discuss. Okay, and if suppose cloud ALM, the inside once configure the cloud ALM. Okay, and the how the alerts will come, activate that alerts on every day-to-day basis. Okay, how the alerts will come, and how to rectify that alerts through cloud ALM configuration part, that also we will discuss. And experience in HANA cloud and ABAP environment, the particular the cloud and ABAP environment, how we will connected in the ABAP environment using the business studio application, that topic also we will cover. Okay, and configuration of the on premises replication from on premises system to the particular cloud environment, how to replicate. and that configuration part we will discuss. And SAP Cloud Connector administration upgrade. Okay, this SAP Cloud Connector configuration. Once that upgrade, every time we need to upgrade the Cloud Connector. That part also we will discuss about that, and the SEC HANA setup, the HANA high availability, the how the SAP Cloud Connector is set up. On that part also we will discuss. So mainly this part we will discuss about this regarding BTP topics covered. Okay, and do you have any questions? Let me know. So we'll add that the topics as well as. And I will tell you the few of the services in BTP, how to activate that, and what are the licenses part. Okay, how to renewal that licenses and certificates, and global and sub accounts level, and all we will discuss in the BTP session. So do you have any questions regarding this? And you can ask me.
Just a quick, comments about if you have any idea about the certification. I think it would be good to get to know a bit about that.
Yeah. Certification part also is there, and we will provide the dumps, and as well as the and we architect BTP architect also we have a dumps. We just have a 70 to 80 questions is there, and you just go through that dump. Okay, we can easily clear that certification as well as, and we will give the assistance and support regarding the certifications, and BTP architect certification as well as. So you once complete this, will provide you the assistance, and based on that you can go ahead. Yeah, Amit.
I have one question. The
Yeah.
roles of ABAPer and a BTP consultant are different, or the ABAPer will be handling this BTP consultant role?
No,
How it will
ABAPer
be?
is
Actually.
is a role very different, and we have covered only the basis and BTP admin. Okay, only the role and what are the roles we need to assign, and once identity platform is there, and we need to assign the roles, and the particular user how we'll assign the roles, and that only admin people, BTP admin only take care. Okay, ABAP will take care the different environment, like business studio application is there. Using that business studio application, they will implement the logic, but this is the ABAPers different, and BTP admin is different, but these roles will take care the only BTP admin only.
See, suppose if we want to have an integration between other resources, say suppose bank and our company, then the BTP consultant will be managing all these activities, the endpoint design and integration from start to end. It will be done by BTP consultant.
Yeah, BTP here, BTP consultant and BTP developer is different, BTP admin is different. Okay,
Okay,
bank
so
and
here you are
relate
going to let us know only about the admin part, or
only the development part, that is the differentiation. Okay, here functional, we are talking about the bank related and functional, and blueprint configurations. These things actually comes under BTP developer. Okay, so we are cover the only BTP admin part only. Okay, how the integration will done with the different tools. Okay, and user management and roles. Okay, we will assign the roles to the particular user, and we will cover it the integration and configurations, and cloud ALM alerts, alarms, alerts. We will rectify that, and these kind of things. Admin role, admin related only. The developer thing is different. That is different session. Okay.
No, but the integration flow, it will be designed by this administrator only, BTP administrator.
Administration only. here see Okta here I share this. This is the Okta Azure AD integration, the BTP environment. How the Okta, and this is the tool. Okay, we are using this tool. Okay, we are integrated with the BTP. The how the Okta and Azure AD act, and how the security part, and how to we renewal, and how we will integrate that BTP, and that we will discuss. Okay, you understood, right? You want anything to
Yes.
discuss? Mm, any questions? Uh, I think we'll take upcoming days. Like today, we Hari Bari will take a slide also. Slide also will explain you proper way. So why? Because today some network issue, and we hurry bari. I didn't prepare some slides. Tomorrow also I'll explain you the proper slides as well. What are the topics we need to cover, and that will I will share you. Okay. So as of now, this is the concept, and what are the topics we need to cover, and certifications wise we will support you, and dumps we will provide you. So is there anything we discuss, and you have any queries, you have doubts, and you can ask me. Otherwise, we will wind up the call. Okay. Vijay and Gaurav Chatterjee, say anything, or you are new to BTP, or you want to in depth, you want the BTP concepts, or anything you can discuss with me. We will clarify your doubts, and if anything you want to cover the topics, and you can let me know. We will discuss the topics also. What are the missed out things?
Vivek, this BTP and this SAP integration suite are the other two different platforms, or it is the one?
BTP and
It is the same thing. Integration suite, they call it as SAP integration suite. So this integration suite comes in this BTP?
no. This is different platform. We are integrating this using these tools.
Hmm.
This is a different.
Okay.
Using tools, we are integrating to BTP actually.
So
Okay.
BTP is specially for the basis admin persons, right?
Yeah, BTP admin person to see HANA admin also. They can use the environment, and like BTP admin, and who are administration like HANA and BC basis. Okay, that administrate people when you use the BTP environment. Okay, and uh, remaining okay, functional team and developers, and that is the different slide of the BTP. Okay, that is the development. Okay, but as of now, BTP admins only access the BTP cockpit access, and they will use the all the services, and licenses and services, to activate the services, how to implement the applications, different applications, and these are the main activities they will do that admin level.
Hmm. So actually, I am more interested about the integration suite, integration in the integration area. I'm looking up,
With the
not in
provide
this
you,
BTP platform.
yeah, understood. We will provide you the practice
Hmm.
server every day. Okay, what we are send you the, I will send you the end of after this session, I will send you the total PPT of this session, and like what are the topics we are about to be covered, and all those things I will share you. But every day, okay, once session completed, we will share the PPT topic related, and you can practice it in the server. Then you will get the good better idea, and everything if without practice, very difficult to understand. Why? Because this is not related to basis and HANA, the cloud environment, and you have to configure the few things like cloud connector and integration, different tools is there, how to configure, and how to activate the services, then practice only you will get the better idea. And every day once complete the session, I will share the PPT presentation as well as the server link. Okay, so you can practice it in the server, so you will get a better idea. Okay, so it will complete in 45 days. Okay, we will cover all the topics what we mentioned, what we discussed earlier. Okay, so if anything is there, any issue you will get, you are facing any issue, you just ping me, I will support you. Are able to hear me, right?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah, that's all my side. If anything is there, I'll discuss. Otherwise, we will wind up. Okay. Uh, Sorry for inconvenience. Initial stage, we are unable to some network issue. Okay.
Vivek, I think did we complete the session?
Yeah, I completed what are the topics we have covered about covered and server and certification related, and we are all everything discussed. Okay, and if you want me to continue anything, you want to add the any points, I will add you. Otherwise, we will wind up. We'll discuss.
Okay, okay. I just wanted to know from the audience. I think we have Mr. Amit, right? And we have uh, Somesh, Fadil, Gaurav Kumar, Vijay Gurpade, right? So we just wanted to know how is your today's session, and we just wanted to know maybe in the comments or maybe through your verbal, how did you like the session, or is there anything that we can improve on the session, or how do you look at the session? How is the trainer explaining to you? We just wanted to know all of your feedback. Yeah, I think starting with Amit.
Uh, yeah, actually, uh, what I was expecting this integration, complete end-to-end integration learnings, okay. But understanding here, I have understood that BTP administration is different, which is handled by the basis team, and the integration, complete end-to-end integration is managed by some integration suite developer. So I'm more about interested in this integration suite development activity.
Okay. So apart
Okay,
from that, how did you like the session? Like how is interaction with Mr. Vivek?
no, we got the basics, what is covered, but we could not get what actually we are going to learn. This is my perception, okay,
Okay,
about
in
this
terms of
class.
the table of contents, like the curriculum and
Yeah,
everything, right?
yeah.
Okay, so that will be shared later, I think once we complete the session. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow you'll get that. That's not a problem. I think let's go with Somesh. Somesh, Fadil, Gaurav. So how did you like the session?
Okay, so I'm familiar with the BTP and BTP-IS scenarios. So uh, the whatever uh, whatever portion that was covered, that was very basic and very uh, introduction of a BTP, what BTP platform is, what are services, and things like that. So that way it was good, but what would be, as Amit mentioned, what would be the uh, curriculum? That was very unsure. Like BTP is a very wide topic. It's just a
Correct,
platform.
correct.
We have integration suite. We have BTP development. We have Bar Studio and things like that. So it was not very clear to me that on which direction would we be going. And I joined this link from LinkedIn.
Right, right,
So
that's right.
it was mentioned, the complete roadmap and things like that. So I was expecting that.
Got it. I think somewhere, more or less, I think the question at the end of that, it is relatable to Amit question as well. So I think you'll get the complete TOC and also the complete, roadmap, how we are going to approach towards the batch. So that will be discussed once we connect individually, right? So that will be explained to you. And I'll take the complete inputs from the Vivek, how are we going to, get into the batch and all those things. Yeah, next, Fadil and also Gaurav, Vijay, do you have something to say? Or maybe, maybe in the comments you can type, we can get your, experience with the session. Are you there, Fadil, Gaurav, Vijay?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you. In my opinion, as I said at the beginning, I've already knowledge about BTP and all that under activity and under component. But I think it's good to put things on perspective, because until now, at least I have been learning it on my own whenever I was idle, have time, but in very unstructured way, jumping from one topic to another, just getting curious about something, going there without putting and connecting the dots. So in a way, it's good this session to help connecting the dots. Beside that, also I'm interested in the certification because I think the certification will be the inroad for us, whether we participate in this session, other session, or going to online learning or SAP Learning Hub or anything else. So my main goal is the certification. But as I said, nevertheless, it puts things into perspective and in a very structured way, and suddenly things began to make more sense to me than before.
Okay, got it. I think there are so many inputs and there are so many, things that you're looking for. I think we'll definitely cover each one of those. And Fadil, where are you joining from? Which country you're joining from?
From Denmark.
From Denmark.
Copenhagen, yes.
Yeah. Good to see you in the session, and we'll also get in touch individually and we'll make you join for the batch in case if you're looking for any course, right? So we'll get in touch. Thank you so much for your time and thanks for your, inputs. And Gaurav, do you have anything to say, Gaurav, Vijay?
I don't know. I think most of the things are covered Shomesh, Amit, and Fadil. But yeah, like I just want to add one point. Like in the beginning of the session only, if it was a bit clarity would have been given, like maybe Vivek had given. Maybe I have missed out whatever it may be. But yeah, like breaking down the things like just understanding of whether the BTP is a roadmap. Maybe it's so currently we are going through this thing, but roadmap is like this. So we are going for this BTP admin in this session. So it will be more easy for the audience to understand. So to get it. Yeah, that's it so much. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think thank you so much, each one of you, for taking your time and joining the session. And thank you so much, Mr. Vivek, for taking your time and doing the session for each one of them. And so I think we'll be connecting individually, and we can discuss much more about the content and how we're going to get into the course and everything. So if at all, if you need anything to discuss with Vivek, we can also arrange one-to-one session to discuss any queries like that, right? Yeah. Thank you so much, one and all. We'll see you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Adi.